Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to construct a triangle. I'm going to use a question that came in 2022, that is internal grade 9 final examination. The question was question 2c. So watch this video up to the end as I'm going to show you how you can construct these the triangle and the properties that are being mentioned down here. So let's go to question number C1. Use geometrical instruments to construct triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 10 centimeter and angle ABC is equal to 55 degrees and angle BAC is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so where we're going to start from, this statement, which is the side which is 10 centimeter, which is AB is equal to 10 centimeter. So get a ruler down here and then draw a line which is about 10 centimeters. So I'll try to put it on the center so that okay, like that. Then we draw a line that is almost 10, which is 10 centimeter, not almost, but which is 10 centimeter. So we'll draw a line up to 10 centimeter like that. Okay, once we have drawn, you should make sure that if you are using the paper, you prick on the point 10, and here on the point 10 you prick it, you make a hole on that paper with the metal arm. Okay, now once we have done that, the next thing we're going to do is now we're going to start constructing angles. Before we construct angles, we name these points. So here we're going to call this point as point A, and this point will be point B. Okay, now, so which angle are we going to start with? Let's start with the angle AB, the way they are following each other, that is ABC. So we start with angle ABC. So I'm going to get the compass. Okay, so I'll get the compass, then okay, and then I'm going to have the width of at least 1 centimeter. Okay, it doesn't matter the width you use, but I just want to use 1 centimeter. Okay, then I'm going to draw the arc here. Okay, with maintaining the same width between the metal arm and the pencil. Okay, I'm going to draw a arc here as well, maintaining the same width between the metal arm and the arm that has a pencil. Okay, like that. Okay, okay, so you can also name these points if you want. So let's name them. This one we are going to call it Q, or let me say Q so that we don't get confused. There is no Q there, so we call it Q. Then this point we are also going to call it P. This point we are going to call it T. Okay, so that in case we want to use these points, we can easily call these points by their names. Okay, now once we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get the measurement of this. That width is the one we're going to use. Okay, now I'm going to get my compass and put it here, okay, on Q. I hope you are able to see. I've gotten the measurement from B to Q. Then I'm going to put my compass there on Q and form a arc. Okay, I'm going to construct a arc there. So my arc is going to be like this. Okay, now once I've formed the arc like that, the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my compass and put it here on T. Okay, I'm going to put it on T, not on B, but on T. That's where I'm going to put it. Then there I'm going to construct the arc too. Okay, thank God that it is crossing, okay, the other arc like that. Okay, now once we have done that, therefore the next thing we're going to do now is we are going to draw a line. We are going to draw a line. Okay, we're going to draw a line. So what I'll do is I'll get the ruler. Okay, this is my ruler. Then I'm going to a line. So the line is not going to have the measurements. We are not going to draw a line with a certain measurements. We can draw a line as long as we can, as long as possible. Now, once we have drawn the line like that, the next thing is we're going to construct another angle BAC. We're going to construct angle BAC. So what we'll do is we are going to get our compass, okay? As usual, we are going to get our compass and come up with the width of about 1 centimeter. We come up with the width of about 1 centimeter. What we're going to do is we put our compass here, then we draw a arc like that one. Okay. The next thing we're going to do now is then we are also going to draw the arc. Let's see. We do like this, then we draw the arc. So we do like this, then we draw the arc. Okay, so once we construct, we put our compass here, then we get our ruler. Okay, so now we draw the line. Make sure the line should be as long as possible. So now where these two lines are meeting, which is this line and this line, where they are meeting, we are going to call that place as C. We're going to call that place C. Okay, now we call that place C and write C there. Okay, now once we have written C like that, the next thing we're going to do now is we are going to measure the length AC. We are going to measure the length AC. So when we look at AC, the length is 9 centimeter. Okay, approximately it is 9 centimeter. If we take a closer look, that is 9 centimeter. So we write here, we write 9 centimeter. Okay, that is the length of AC, which is 9 centimeter. Okay, 9 centimeter. Okay, the length is 9 centimeter. So that is the length of AC, which is 9 centimeter. As we measured already, this is 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter, but this is 9 centimeter. Okay, now since this is 9 centimeter and we have written there, we go to question number 3, which means we have answered question C2 and we have constructed triangle ABC, just like you can see there. So question C3 is bisect the sides AB and BC and let the bisectors meet at O. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. You see, first we bisect AB, which is this one here. Okay, this line here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to start bisecting. Now, when you are bisecting the side, what you need to do, you get your compass. I can start at any point between point A and B, and then when you get to the point, you just get the size I have chosen, which is longer than half of the size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a arc starting from here. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, then let me just make it a bit long. We also draw a line there. Okay, then we change the position of the compass. We put it on A. Since it was on B, we put it on A, and we come up with the arc. Again, it goes like that. Then we also go down and draw one here as well, like that. Okay, now we have constructed the arcs, so now we can join the points. So we get the ruler and come up with a straight line Okay, like that. Then we join them. We join the lines. Okay, so we come up with a straight line like that. The line should be passing on the middle of these intersections of the arcs, so it passes like that. Okay, now once we have done that, we have constructed the bisector of AB. Okay, this is the line AB, and we have constructed a bisector like this one of the sides. Now we go to BC and construct the bisector. So what we're going to do is we are going to bisect this. So we are bisecting BC, that means this line. So what we're going to do is we are going to get, since we measured the length of the lines, first we are going to get our compass and put it here, and then like that. Then we are going to construct the bisectors. So now the lines are the same, so I'm just going to use a different width. Okay, whichever we did, let me make it just a bit longer. Okay, then we're going to make arcs. So we make sure that this metal arm is on the point here, and then we measure like that. Then we change the points. We are on B, now we go on C. We put it on C there. Then we construct a line. Okay, we construct the arc, sorry, not really the line, and then again there we construct the arc. I hope you are following me like that. Okay, now once we have constructed the arc like that, now we can get our ruler and draw a bisector. We construct a line which is going to bisect the line BC. So what we're going to do is we get our ruler. Now we draw a longer line through there. Okay, now once I've drawn a bisector like that, this line is dividing this line into two equal parts. Okay, now once we have done that, the next thing we're going to do now is we are going to, now the question is saying bisect the sides AB and BC and let the bisectors meet at O. So we name the point here where these are meeting as O. Okay, you need to be very careful because they are meeting here where there is a red arc near the red arc here, but here where I'm pointing, that's where they are meeting. So you should be very careful as you are going to name O. So you make sure you don't get confused. Okay, so O, it is here. Okay, to make it more visible, I'm going to use a bigger letter. Okay, that is O there. Okay, so let me just lift it a bit. Okay, that is O. I hope you are able to see it. That is OE. Okay, then we go to question number C4, which is saying with the center O and radius OA, draw a circle which touches A, B, and C. Okay, so which is the radius should be OA. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my compass there, then come up with a radius that will be from O to A like this. Okay, that is the radius, and you can see my metal arm is here on the center. So you make sure that your metal arm is on the middle, and this is here. So to draw a circle, I'm going to use a different color. Okay, I'm going to use green. Okay, to draw the circle, I'm going to use green. So they're saying with the center O and radius AO, draw a circle which touches A, B, and C. Okay, so let's draw that circle that will touch those points. So we can go ahead. Okay, if your drawings are okay, you see that the circle you are going to draw will touch the vertex, which is A, B, and C. Okay, so these the vertices are touched by the circle because my drawing has been okay. If the drawings were not okay, it will be very difficult for you to come up with a circle that will touch these points. Okay, if you have got questions, I'll be glad to respond to them in the comment section. But basically, this is how you go about it when you are doing geometric questions. Okay, so definitely the questions will come with instructions. So what is important to just follow the instructions, and the skills you need to possess. Basically, the most important skills you need to know is: 1, how to construct angles; 2, how to bisect sides; 3, how to bisect angles. If you know these 3 skills, then you are able to solve any geometric questions. So thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.